Hello students, this is Shiv Prakash and today you will study here how to reply an invitation. In our previous class or previous video you can say you have studied about the invitation, how to form an invitation, that is formal and informal. You have read in that video. So here you will study how to reply an invitation. So whenever we get any kind of invitation, then we must reply the invitation so that the invitee may arrange something according to the members who are going to present there at that time. So it will be very helpful for him. So acknowledgement of the invitation is very much important for the invitee and we must do that. So on that behalf, invitation reply to an invitation may be two types, that it may be acceptance of the invitation or refusal, means you are going to join the ceremony whatever in what he has invited you. It may be any marriage function, any inauguration, any school function, whatever it is. So the main points are here which you must keep in your mind before replying to anyone. Bid your thanks to the invitee or invitees. If anyone has invited you, so bid him a thanks for his invitation, that you are very pleased with the invitation. Mention your refusal or acceptance. If you are accepting, then show in the later that you are going to attend the ceremony, and if you are refusing, then bid him some best wishes, like in the fourth point it is given, if declining then send him greetings like best wishes. Language should be formal. So here are not many things which you have to keep in your mind, but something that is formal language and video thanks is the main thing. So in the previous video you have seen the invitation of this type, that is the inauguration. Mr. Syamlal and Sons announces the opening of Galaxy Novelties, a general store in Gitanjali Enclave, Dwarka, Delhi. Inauguration. So if this kind of invitation you get, then what happens? You have to reply the invitation. Here are two types of replies I have mentioned here. The first one is given acceptance, the same invitation. When you accept the invitation, then how will you reply, and if you are refusing, then how will you reply? So if you are Mr. K. Sharma, any name may be XYZ. So first of all, bid your thanks that Mr. K. Sharma thanks Messrs. Syamlal and Sons for their kind invitation to the opening ceremony of Galaxy Novelties on 19th October 2000 whatever at Gitanjali Enclave, Dwarka, Delhi, and has a great pleasure in accepting it and confirms his presence at the venue at scheduled time. So that is how you reply in acceptance to any invitation. And in that place, if there is any ceremony of marriage, that is marriage ceremony, then you will write in the way Mr. K. Sharma thanks whoever is inviting on the marriage ceremony of their daughter, whatever the name is given on, and the venue is described here again at Gitanjali Enclave, Dwarka, Delhi, whatever the place that will be given, you will write here, and has a great pleasure in accepting it and confirms his presence at the venue at scheduled time. So this is how you will reply to any response to marriage ceremony. And if you are refusing, then how will you write? The starting will be the same. Mr. K. Sharma thanks Messrs. Shyam Lal and Sons for their kind invitation to the opening ceremony of Galaxy Novelties on 19th October 2000 whatever at Gitanjali Enclave, Dwarka, Delhi, but regrets. Now here the language change that you are denying to go there, so you will write but regrets. You are regretting his that, but regrets his inability to attend due to a prior engagement. Means you have engaged time on that particular day or time somewhere else, and that's how you are not able to join the ceremony. So whatever, he bids his best wishes for their success in business. So students, one thing you will note down, that you will always write the invitation or refusal in the third person, as here it is written, he bids his best wishes for their success in business, not I bid my best wishes for their success in business. You will not write I, he. You will use third person because you have written in the starting Mr. K. Sharma. So this is how you will accept or refuse any invitation. And if there is any marriage ceremony, then you will refuse in the same way, that Mr. K. Sharma thanks Mr. Verma, Mr. and Mrs. Verma for the invitation to the marriage ceremony of their daughter, name whatever given on and at the place whatever given, but regrets his inability to attend due to a prior engagement. Or you can write anything else that is important. He bids his best wishes to the couples for their successful married life. So that is how you will refuse to any marriage ceremony. So this is all about the refusal. Hopefully you will have understood the topic, that is invitation, reply to an invitation.